In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the SketchUp for Schools beach ball from the 3D warehouse. Unfortunately, the tutorial video is now outdated and SketchUp for Schools has changed the location of the 3D warehouse. To find the 3D warehouse, you go over to this toolbar on the right, and it is currently the fourth icon down. And if you hover over it, it will say 3D warehouse. And when you click on 3D warehouse for the first time, it's going to say something down here about cookies. You can agree to that. And then in the search box, you're going to type SketchUp, and SketchUp is one word, for schools, and then beach ball, and beach ball is one word. And I will tell you, if you spell any of this incorrectly, it's not going to work for you. So you should have SketchUp for Schools Beachball. Press the return key or enter on your keyboard. And it's going to come up as no results because it's searching their products instead of models. So you want to click on models. And on my particular screen, it happens to be the third one over here. Be careful that you don't click on a SketchUp for Schools Beach Ball that was not created by SketchUp. If you look down here, you can see that SketchUp was the author or the creator. So you click on it, and do not click on View in 3D here. Just scroll down. I'm using 2 fingers on the touchpad, and you're going to click on Download. And after it downloads, you wait for the ball to appear, and then you're going to place it in somewhere inside your sandbox right on top of the sand. To place it, you just click, wait for the blue box to show up, and then you can go over and grab the select tool and click somewhere outside of your sandbox to deselect it. And that's it. Now you've inserted the SketchUp for Schools beach ball from the 3D warehouse.